Hello and welcome to GPS Cards. We're going to give you a brief demonstration on how to activate your prepaid SIM card. You'll take notice that the SIM card packet explains some instructions and they get you started here. So you'll want to navigate to gps.cards/start. That is where we'll begin today. It'll take you to the Activate page. If you find yourself on the front page, gps.cards, you can always just click on the Activate button here, the Activate link. On your mobile app, it'll be a drop-down menu with the Activate link. It'll take you to the same page. We'll go ahead and scroll down. You'll notice up here, you'll see a by the month or annually. This is basically if you only plan to use it for a few months, or if you're not sure how long you plan to GPS track, then we encourage you to go ahead and select the month. If you know that you'll use this service for a while and you want to track for a long time, then you'll want to go with the year service. There is a discount for it. For this test, we're just going to go ahead and pick the month. Next, you'll see 3 service options. Okay, make sure on your mobile app you scroll from top to bottom. They might be a little long in the mobile phone. With your mobile phone, you're going to go ahead and tap each one of these icons. It will give you more information about what each feature offers and what each of these icons mean. Obviously, if you have a laptop or computer, you just hover your mouse over each icon and it will further explain notes on what it is that this service offers compared to the next. You'll see that the next service has a couple more icons and features. The next service has even more features. So you'll want to review each of these services to figure out what's best for your use case. And so we're going to go ahead and select the I want it all, and by selecting service here. Next pop-up, you're going to see it's confirming service annual or by the month. You want to make sure you pick what you originally wanted. So we're going to select by the month. And then the next question is, did your GPS tracker come with a GPS SIM card installed? For this case, ours did not. We just have the SIM card by itself. But if you bought a tracker that had a SIM card already installed in it from us, then you'll know to answer yes. But we just have the SIM card alone that we bought separate. So we're going to say no. Do you have a GPS SIM card with you now? Yes, because we have the SIM card and packet in our hands. And the next questions are, can you please enter the ICC ID? You'll see if you hover your mouse or tap your finger on this little question mark bubble here, it will pop up an ICC ID highlight, shows you where to type in or where to find that number and type it in. We have our number over here. We're going to type in now. Okay, you'll take notice that the ICC ID is not only on the large credit card, but it is also on the small card. So it's in 2 locations, but it's much easier to find on the larger piece of plastic that your SIM card came out of. And you'll notice right below the ICC ID is the PUK. We call it the puke number. And the puke number has shorter digits, and it's just 8 digits. That is located right below the ICC ID on that large plastic card. I'm going to type that in. Next step, you'll see that your SIM card was entered here and your PUK number here. You'll see a review of what you're selecting. You'll see the quantity, and we're going to go ahead and proceed to check out this large button here. And you'll see here, have a coupon. This is important. This is where you're going to enter your prepaid coupon. This coupon is what's going to apply the prepaid value of your SIM card. So this is how you apply it. We're going to go ahead and click here. It'll drop down a menu. This is where you're going to enter your prepaid code that will apply credit to your SIM card, whatever value code that came with your card. It could be $5 or more. Make sure it's all caps. Then make sure you click Apply Coupon. A lot of folks tend to skip past this and they fail to apply it. Once applied, it'll say coupon code applied successfully. That is important. If you scroll down just a little, you'll see that the coupon is here and it will have applied to your account. And this is your service you selected. You'll notice shipping via flat rate is free. You can disregard this. This only applies if you needed a replacement SIM card. So if earlier you had answered that you don't have a SIM card in hand, then the system would have sent you a replacement SIM card, and that's where this would have come into play. You're going to enter in your name, of course, and your billing information here. It's imperative that your email address, okay, is accurate. Some folks make mistakes. If you did, you got to give us a call, or you just have to email us, support@gps.cards, with your correct email and let us know to make the change to update your email. It is very important you enter the correct email because once you have activated your service, you're not done. The next step is we will pair your SIM card with your GPS tracker. So it's a little back and forth with our technicians by email. So we will email you asking you a couple questions in order to pair your SIM card with your tracker. Please make sure your email address is correct, and please make sure that you respond to our emails shortly after your activation. Once you've entered your billing information up here, you're going to go ahead and enter your card information here. Once you've entered that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to check the terms and conditions here and start service right here. Once you've started service, you'll receive an email from us. Give it about 10-15 minutes. You should receive an email from us from one of our technicians. If you have not received an email in the next 15 or 20 minutes, please contact us directly. Our email is support@gps.cards. Again, that's support@gps.cards, or scroll to the bottom of our page and click on the Contact Us and contact us through the form, and make sure you enter your valid email address in that form in order for us to contact you. If you did not receive an email from us, it is likely because your email address was entered incorrectly. And if that's the case, we have to correct it. But please give it about 15 minutes and you will receive an email from one of our technicians. He will ask some information regarding your GPS. In order for us to pair your SIM card with your GPS tracker, we require a little bit of information. We do all the heavy lifting. You just have to sit back and follow our lead, and we'll get you up and tracking in no time. In the meantime, have a wonderful rest of your day. If you have questions, again, you can email us using the Contact Us form. You can chat with us. If you see a chat box here Monday through Friday, you typically will. If you have any other questions, you can always give us a call at the number posted on our site. Thank you so much, and take care.